Gonna be a quick little video, not more than like 10 minutes. All it's gonna be is a replay back on what I said last video and how the trade ended up playing out. I didn't end up entering the trade because obviously it was set up before. It did end up going back to that entry point, but as you guys are gonna see right now, it played out. You can see here how I was explaining it. So what are we gonna do? What we're gonna see is how price reacts to it. If price reacts, shows a rejection, then we enter, right? So boom, showed major rejection, closed here. And then stop loss would always be above the previous structure. So in this case, we can see there's a fair value gap here on the previous bullish engulfing. And there's this elbow that was here. If price breaks this structure as well, breaks past this fair value gap, it's most likely going to go to the upside. So we don't have to have stop loss all the way up here or at this high right here. We can have it here at this body of this candle of the fair value gap. That's how I tend to do it. And then realistically, we can either have take profits here for you to take partials for a 101. And as you guys can see, oh wait, you guys can see right now. Or we can go back to that. It was gold. Where we were initially making the analysis. We already know it's bearish. We already know the structure of, okay, this is where it tends to respect. This is where it has all of this stuff. As we can see here on the 1 hour, this is another level. We're going to have it here. Even at this point, it's a 1 to 3. Basically a 1 to 4, almost. Because if you want, you can hold it down here to this point. And then we go to gold now. Boom. Ended up playing. Sending out for a 1 to 4. Same area where we entered that. Body closes a fair value gap. What? Am I tripping? Just to make sure. This is 101. On the 5-minute. Entered here. Got tapped. Showed fair value gap here. $25. Boom. 3 to 5. I mean, 5. A 1 to 3.5. Just like that. Boom. And as you guys saw, I had another entry that was there. But I wasn't looking to enter because I made my rules ready to not enter at any other time besides New York session. But as you guys can see there, 2 different setups on the same at the same market, and they were both winners. One of them being here and the other one being over here. Bueno, being here at this one. It broke past this structure point that I was creating. Was still testing here, broke under, came back, retested at this level point, and then had a bearish engulfing. Then stop loss would have been above, and then take profit would have been here. I would have gotten like a 1 to 4 for that one as well. And this one that I had made on the video prior you guys saw, and where I said I would probably hold it at if I were to be in that trade. And look where it went right before it ended up becoming bullish. So as you guys can see, it can actually work. And you guys like saw it real time. It wasn't like off a replay and me seeing how the market was going to play out. Even after the market playing out over the weekend and having this big push, it still didn't take me out and still ended up going down to the bottom and closing at TP. So I don't got to say much because it showed it for itself. I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. This is just a little recap on the strategy and how it worked and how it ended up playing out for that trade. And yeah.